guess you can say sneak peek. A little surprised that I have yet to show anybody. They're not turning on. They sent me like bad ones.
You sit up, you sit up,
As you guys just saw, these things are crusty, and I definitely need some new headlights for the FRS, and that is what we're gonna be doing today. We have a brand new set of OLM, aka Vland headlights for the FRS. Now, if you guys remember, I actually had these exact, well, not exact, I guess you can call them the same, the OLM slash Vland ones. Had these on the FRS, I want to say over a year ago, back when my car was black. I'll go ahead and put a picture on the screen right now, and I pretty much got rid of those because the light output was not that great. At night, I couldn't really see anything. That's why I got rid of those Vlands and went back to the stock headlights with the HIDs. But honestly, I miss them so much. And as you guys saw, I'm in desperate need of some new headlights. So while I was on Instagram, I saw that FT Speed restocked on the OLM ones. Now the difference between the OLM ones and the Vland is these ones actually come with an HID, like a built-in HID bulb. So it should be way better than the Vland since they come with a built-in headlight already. And the light output should be better. So I'm really excited for that. I shouldn't have to retrofit any like stock bulbs like I did with the ones before. So these pretty much just come plug and play, everything you need inside. And I'm so hyped on these. So finally we can say bye to these ugly headlights. These have definitely seen some better days. Oxidation, they're starting to peel. It's my bumper's rubbing, so it's like scratching them a lot. I think the right one is worse. Yeah, it's just like peeling like crazy. So I get a lot of questions. These are actually stock headlights, but I opened them up, painted the inside gloss black. Hard to see, but I actually have some demonized inside, so I can actually control it with my phone and change the color of the bulbs inside. So I'll turn these on. Oh yeah, it's already switching colors. Yeah, so that's honestly my favorite part of these headlights right here. Maybe sometime we can crack these headlights open and put some of those in here, but honestly I'm too scared. These are like way too nice. So yeah, last look at these stock headlights. Not really gonna miss them besides the color demonized, but definitely time for an upgrade. I think you guys are gonna be excited because I have a lot to come for the front end of this car, and in general I have a ton of parts coming in for this car, so I'm just so hyped to get started. As you guys saw, no more Mustang. The Mustang is officially gone. If you guys missed the previous video, we got rid of the Mustang. It's officially sold now, off of my hands, and it is time to start counting down for the next build, guys. It's coming very soon, but in the meantime, like I said, we got some parts to install. Got the headlights. I don't even know if I should show you guys some more stuff in here. And yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna spoil anymore. So we just took off the passenger side. I had to take off like a whole bunch of wires from the demonized. It's a whole mess, and I'm actually excited to take off because there's just so much wires in here. But yeah, I want to do a little side-by-side comparison. That's why I left the driver's side on. But I have yet to unbox this, so I'm super excited to see them. I already know what they look like, but I'm just still excited to see them because they look freaking amazing. All right.
I do.
Damn, dude, it looks so hard. That is gonna look so freaking good. Oh my god, I don't even want to take off the plastic. These off. Damn. Alright, side-by-side comparison. Such a huge difference. Damn, dude, that makes the stock lights look trash. I don't even want to put them on, they're so clean. So since these do come in with a built-in HID, I guess it does come with a ballast, obviously. I didn't really think that it would come with it. I just took apart all those freaking wires in the engine bay, hoping I wouldn't have to put any more, but I guess we gotta put this ballast, which is fine. If I'm not mistaken, I think this might be for, I believe, a BRZ harness. Or, I don't know. Actually, no, I think I need to use these. Dual beam, Super BRZ.
Really?
So I went ahead and attached that little harness right here. So pretty much everything is like directly plug and play. I think this is what I was talking about right here. This is the BRZ one. You can like adjust like the height of it. I don't know how that works with the BRZ. I'm not gonna touch this right here. Ballast literally just plugs into what comes out of the headlights. Just like a direct circle. I just have to tuck this away in the engine bay. And that's pretty much it. I think the main harness in the car plugs in right here. And I have to wire these 3 wires for the turn signal, which I'll show you guys later on.
Oh my bro! You just bought these.
Alright, so now for the wiring. So this is actually the stock turn signal harness that I had before, which I took off because I don't even have turn signals on that bumper. But as you can see right here, we have all these T-tap connectors from when I did the Vlands before. I'm probably just gonna end up chopping this and just connecting it right to the wire. We'll get these 3 wires, and these come down from the headlight. So I believe the yellow goes to red, white goes to green, and obviously black goes to the black one. We'll go ahead and connect all 3 of these and then see if these things work. Alright, so I finished up the wiring. This should work, hopefully. So as you guys saw, we just chopped off this from the main harness, and we grabbed the wires from the headlight and just simply connected the 2. So the red, I went to the yellow, green to the white, and then black to black. This should work when I turn it on, hopefully, if my wiring is all correct. I'm pretty sure though. But yeah, we'll see right now. Got the ballast from the main, and then literally the main harness plugs into the other harness. Kinda scared. I don't know. What if the lights don't work? They sent me like bad ones. Just like turn it all the way. Oh my gosh, scared.
All the way?
Yeah. Ooh. That's all the way? The DRLs work, the boomerang. What if I did something wrong? Alright, so when the headlights are on, as you can see, these ones are on. They're not turning on, but the boomerang is on, which I'm not too sure why. The turn signal is on, so the turn signal wire is good. I don't know, I can't seem to figure out why the low beams aren't working. Everything else is working, the DRLs, the turn signal. It's flashing like that because I have like this different type of module. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put the driver's side one on and see if that one works, because I don't hear the ballast, which is kind of weird. Usually you can hear this thing like working, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw the driver's side on, and then see if that one works. Alright, so I put both the headlights on. It looks so freaking clean. Now we'll see if these ones will work. If not, then I'm not sure what the heck is wrong. Shit, I'm scared. Damn it.
Sheesh!
Yeah, I did.
So it's like the same thing. The low beams aren't working. The boomerangs are fine, and the turn signal, but I have no idea.
Good.
Oh shoot, did it turn on? What? Oh, it did. All right, so I figured it out. I pretty much had this thing flipped around, which is kind of like a dumb mistake of mine. So this was like flipped the other way. Watch, I'll do it right here. I kind of had a feeling it was this. Yeah, because like it's like twisted right here. So I pretty much just, wow. Just take this off and flip it around. Damn.
Oh,
you hear that?
Yeah,
the activation?
It's saying
Damn. Heck yeah. I'm so glad these aren't broken, that they actually work. I was like afraid that like I got like a faulty set or something, but they look sick though. What do you guys think?
A few moments later.
I do have to adjust them a little bit because they're actually facing down quite a bit. Like you really can't tell on camera, but from my seat you can tell like it's just kind of uneven. Like the left side sits a little bit lower. Overall, I just need to adjust them so they're more equal. But dude, look at the high beams. Like they light everything up. Like that's crazy. So much brighter than the Vlands. I mean, given the Vlands, you kind of have to use your own bulbs. I don't know, these just feel much better, like higher quality, and overall I'm just super pleased with these. Other than the fact that I have to adjust them, they're kind of uneven right now, but that's just a quick easy fix with the little knob screw in the back of the headlight. I guess you can call it the adjuster screw. So bright, oh my gosh. I feel like these are brighter than stock too. But yeah, I definitely cleaned up the look. No more fading, none of that like peeling stuff on the old headlights. It's like literally fresh and they look so good. I should turn on the DRLs. You can barely see it, but that looks so good. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. And we finally have turn signals. Like for the longest time on the stock headlights, since the stock bumper has the turn signal, I've had the V3 bumper obviously, and I never had some turn signals. So it's so nice to finally have some turn signals. So yeah, just real quickly before we ended today's video, I wanted to show you guys the new headlights. We're not done yet though. We got a lot left to do on the front end of the car. That's gonna make it look way more aggressive. That's all I have for you guys today. For you guys that stayed till the end of the video, I have one little, I guess you can say sneak peek. You guys see it first here since you guys stayed to the end of the video. Versus the people that clicked off earlier. So I'll go ahead and show you guys my little surprise that I have yet to show anybody. All right guys, you ready for your surprise? Drop a like for that little sneak peek. I hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.